County in central West Virginia.
Woo!
Northern Putnam County in western West Virginia. Southern Jackson County in northwestern West Virginia until 2:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Buffalo, Oregon, 11 miles north of Winfield, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Nitro, Point Pleasant, Winfield, Eleanor, Buffalo, Boca, Kenna, Tays Valley, Bancroft, Henderson, Leon, Given, Southside, Kentuck, Liberty, Grimms Landing, Gallipolis Ferry, and Fraser's Bottom. This includes the following highways: Interstate 77 in West Virginia between mile markers 119 and 127. Interstate 64 in West Virginia between mile markers 41 and 44. Now, for the official National Weather Service forecast for the Greater Charleston area.
And I think I was scanning for channels, and then I just heard the EAS and was like, oh crap.